Welcome to Dark Creation Studios. In this video, we'll be showing you guys how to draw a female character's face from a front view, so let's get into it. Okay, so from here we could start dropping in our good old friend Mr. Circle. Then we could add a vertical line coming down. Next we will drop in a horizontal line. And we could start bringing down the left side of the face. From this point we will drop in another horizontal line, and as we move down you could see we coming across, and there is basically the guide for the draw. And then we'll just do the same thing what we do on the left side of the face to the right. Afterwards we could just shape up the head a little bit. And from here we will add in our third horizontal line. This will be a guide for the ears and the eyes. So right here we're going in, dropping in the ears, adding in the details. From there we could drop in the eyes. Followed by the nose. Then we could move back up and we could add in this little detail for the bridge of the nose. Then we could finish off the eyes and add in the eyebrows. And right back below we could add in a big M shape for the mouth, and we will also put in the bottom lip. Alright guys, so using the ends of the eyes for a guide, we will come down with two lines, one for the neck and one for the shoulders on both sides. Afterwards we'll head up top by the head area and we could add in this curve for the hairline. From there we could start adding in the hair. And for the hair we just go and add like a messy bang in front, and then everything else after that will be straight. And we'll be moving a bit fast through the hair process because that's not the main focus, but you guys could choose to follow along, slow it down if you need to. But yeah, you guys could leave your characters bald if you need to. Alright guys, awesome. Now we could add in the rest of the details to our sketch. So we'll head down and give our character a V-neck. Now we could add in the rest of the details to our hair. Next we could head up top and we could add in the rest of the details around our eyes. And then we'll follow that up by adding in her earrings. Okay guys, that's it for the sketch. Now we could kick it into time lapse to do all the inking, and we'll be back. Alright guys, so we're back after the time lapse, and as you can see everything clean. Now we could go ahead and add in the colors to our character. So you guys could feel free to use whatever color you want. You don't have to use the same colors we're using here in this drawing. So go ahead and feel free to use whatever color. We're just going in here adding in all the colors. And usually for me the coloring process is the most relaxing part of like doing the drawing. But you guys can let me know what you think about that. Alright guys, so it would seem that we finished adding in all the colors. Now we can move on to adding in the shadows. And for the shadows, we're going to have it mostly on the left hand side of the drawing because we have the sun coming from the right. So that's which part we'll place the shadows here. And with the shadows, you don't have to actually do this part. If you want to, go ahead, feel free. You know it will be worth the reward. It will actually make your drawing pop out more. But yeah guys, we just going in here, adding in the shadows. Going through this process really quickly. And then after that we could add in the final little touches, which is the highlights. Okay guys, so it seems like we have everything in order, so you know what's coming next. And bam! There you have it guys, the final illustration. We hope you learned something, we hope you enjoyed, and we hope to see you guys on the next one. Alright, see ya.